If you have ever dreamed of starting at your YouTube channel but felt overwhelmed by the technology, the editing, and the idea of being on camera, I understand. When I started, I had no expensive equipment, no editing background, and very little time. What I did have was the right tool and a system that allowed me to create professional videos quickly. That tool is called Pictory. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to create 8-minute audience-retaining videos that can grow your channel fast. Type Pictory Power in the comments if you are ready to create your first AI-powered video. Before we jump into Pictory, let's talk about why 8 minutes is the magic number. Once your channel is monetized, meaning you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube allows you to place mid-roll ads on any video longer than 8 minutes. That means more ad spots, more revenue potential, and better viewer retention if your content is engaging. Comment watch time if you know that 8 minutes is the monetization sweet spot. Shorter videos can still work, but 8 minutes lets you tell a complete story, provide value, and maximize income potential without exhausting your viewers. So who is Pictory really for? It is perfect for creators who want to stay off camera but still make engaging videos. For people who have limited time but want to publish consistently. For educators, entrepreneurs, and storytellers who want to turn scripts into polished videos without the hassle of traditional editing. Drop "no camera needed" in the comments if you like the idea of growing without being on screen. Step 1. Sign up for Pictory at pictory.ai and log in. You will see multiple options. For long-form content, choose script to video. This is where the magic starts. Paste your script directly into the text box. If you do not have one yet, you can write it yourself or use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate a draft based on your topic. Keep paragraphs short, 1 or 2 sentences, so Pictory can split them into clean visual scenes. Once you paste your script, click Proceed. Pictory will automatically match your text with relevant stock video clips, images, and animations. You will instantly have a full video outline ready to customize. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Pictory before. Next, decide on your narration. You can upload your own recorded voiceover, use Pictory's built-in AI voices, or sync your voiceover with the scenes using the timeline editor. If you record your own audio, keep your tone conversational and your pace natural for maximum viewer retention. Now make it yours. Replace stock clips with your own footage if you have it. Adjust text size, color, and position for readability. Add branding elements like your logo or watermark. Remember, visuals should support your message, not distract from it. Pictory automatically adds captions, which is a huge benefit since most people watch with the sound off. You can also choose background music from Pictory's library. Just keep it low so it does not overpower your voice. When you are happy with your project, click Generate, select your resolution. 1080p is ideal for YouTube. Pictory will render your video ready for upload. Drop Upload Ready in the comments if you are excited to publish your first video. Here is why Pictory works so well. It is fast. Videos can be ready in under an hour. It is beginner friendly, no steep learning curve, no camera required, perfect for faceless channels. Built-in captions and stock media save time and money, but it is not perfect. There is a subscription cost. Factor that into your budget. You have less granular control compared to advanced editing tools like Premiere Pro. Stock visuals may require extra customization to match your brand style. Here's where it gets exciting. By using Pictory, you can publish consistently without burning out. More videos lead to more impressions from YouTube's algorithm. Better retention leads to more recommendations. More recommendations bring more subscribers. And with each upload, the cycle, or flywheel, spins faster. Type next level in the comments if you are ready to grow faster. It is not about one viral video. It is about steady, predictable growth. You do not need perfect gear. You do not need to be on camera. You just need a system that lets you create, publish, and repeat. Pictory can be that system. So start today. Write your first 8-minute script, paste it into Pictory, and watch your first video come to life. Your audience is out there waiting, and YouTube rewards those who show up consistently. Now, if you want to take this even further, click the link in the description and join Shane's AI Wealth Collective on School. It is where creators like you connect, share progress, and accelerate their journey to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. You do not have to do this alone. And the next step is waiting for you inside.